Hi everyone, it's Mackenzie with WTI. I have to show you the incredible and amazing lights from SUNTHIN. I am obsessed. We just moved and our new hot tub area is now complete. Well, almost. We cannot wait to actually put these on proper posts, but for now, they are doing the wonderful job of lighting up our pathway to our hot tub and surrounding. These 49 feet is exactly what we're looking for. We have a small family and our daughter absolutely loves the fact that we can put on different lights, different strobe effects, different colors, no matter what. The Smart Life app is super easy to install, and you can choose any sort of light function you want, whether it be whites or colors, and you can also turn it on and off. Now, we live in an area where we get snow, heavy, awful snow. Now, for us, the fact that they are weatherproof, waterproof, shatterproof, and that I know no matter what kind of inclement weather we're gonna get, they are gonna be absolutely perfect. And that's my point of view.